Hello, it's currently 2nd of December, 7:16, and it's a Tuesday. I'm planning to go for another morning run. So I did this last week and I found it pretty good, so I decided to give it another shot. I gotta say though, it wasn't that easy to wake up today. I felt pretty tired and the urge to go back to sleep is pretty big. Sometimes the hardest part is really just to kind of wake up and move. But usually when you start running, it gets a bit better. We'll see. So I just started my run. But it seems like it may be raining soon. We'll see, we'll see. Hopefully I get to come back before it starts pouring. Super heavy rain. I think change of plans. I can't run in this weather, so maybe let's go get breakfast instead. It's still raining really heavily, but it's not as heavy as when I was running. But yeah, heading over to work now, as I don't think the rain is gonna get any nicer. So I'm currently at Maxwell Food Center, and I thought maybe I should get some breakfast before work starts. Take this as something different to the normal work day, since I'm not able to run just now. And yeah, technically this is also it's also been on my to-do list for a while. Like trying not to have breakfast before work.
That's the best way. That's the best way to start.
So I didn't run today, but I got breakfast instead. Pretty nice change, you know, just to do something a bit different. Just got my breakfast. So this is Maxwell. It's pretty nice, you know, if you don't have to work and you can just visit this place as it is. So it's nice doing the birds. But yeah, so now I'm on the way to work. Hopefully I'll land tomorrow.